Hey everybody, welcome back to Joe's Cars and Toys. Today I have 3 mystery packs from Memorabilia Explosion. If you recall, I had opened 2 basketball mystery packs from them and they were pretty good. I'll leave a link right here for you. But today I got 2 baseball and 1 basketball, Series 6 from Memorabilia Explosion. This is how they look. These, in my opinion, are some of the best mystery packs on eBay. If you want to check them out, I'll leave a link below. But let's crack these open and see what we get. I'll do the basketball first. I got one of those, and then I'll do the 2 baseball. Alrighty. I had some pretty decent luck with these last time, so let's see what we got this time. Okay, we got some Prism, Javon Carter rookie card, Old Elgin Baylor, DeMarcus Cousins, let's see what we got here. Jason Smith, present potential autograph. Oh, I like this one. Charles Oakley, Epic Legends relic. I do like that. He was one of my favorite Knicks growing up. He was the enforcer, the Oak Man. That's a cool one. I'm going to hold on to this one. This is actually numbered out of 99. It's the Jason Smith, if it was numbered or not. Oh, the Jason Smith is numbered to 25. Let's see what else we got. Wendell Carter Jr., rated rookie. Marcus Gasol refractor. And some sort of base card. So that's it for the basketball. That wasn't too bad. Jason Smith, Charles Oakley. Pretty cool. Alright, so let's do these baseball. I haven't got baseball yet, so I'm excited to see what they offer in here. Clear Futures on the front. Luis Matos. Paul Goldschmidt. Nigel Wilson, star rookie. Luke Weaver rookie card. Steven Matz. Is this, wow, that's his rookie card. That's cool. I didn't have that one. This will go into my Mets PC. Michael Brantley. Edwin Encarnacion. Let's see what we got here. Nick Sandlin. Don't know too much about him. This is from 2018 Panini. Raciel Iglesias. Not too familiar with him as well. This is from 2018. Cool looking card. That's for sure. You guys can let me know if that's worth anything. I'm not too familiar with him. So these are our 2 autographs from the mystery pack. Pretty cool. Some decent cards in here. Decent rookies. Okay. On to the next one. Wade Boggs on the front. Wade Boggs. Giancarlo Stanton, Bowman Gold. Chipper. Joe Mahoney. Chris Stratton. J. Cole, and a Robert Refsnyder, numbered out of 799. That's an auto. And Luke Jackson auto. It's numbered to 799 from, let's see, 2011 Bowman Chrome. And Todd Hollinsworth card to finish it off. All right, so the baseball wasn't as great as I thought it was going to be, but still, as mystery packs go, for about $10 each, it's not bad. You get 2 autographs, you get a bunch of rookies. Hopefully, if you guys are interested, this video will help you decide whether this purchase would be good for you. Thanks for checking out this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care. Bye.